welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your bearing buddy off of your axle the quick and easy way. The only tool you will need for this is a hammer. Go ahead and pull your bearing buddy protective cap off of there. What we're going to do is tap it from side to side and walk this out. That's how you get it off. Now when you're ready to put this back on, get your bearings and stuff repacked, all you do is you drive it down to this groove and it will bottom out. Set it on there like such. Put your cap back on and you're back in business. So that's how you remove and install your bearing buddy quick and easy. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to our channel. And as always, Dude, we can fix it.